What's up, everybody? I'm James.
I'm Celine. I'm Kira.
And this is
Pin Pals.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to be unboxing 3 more of these Disney film mystery pin packs that we got at the Disneyland Resort last month. Down below us are the pins that we already obtained from our 2 previous videos. But other than that, let's get to the unboxing. Before we start unboxing, which one is your favorite pin so far?
I do not know. I have to think first. Celine, Little Mermaid.
Little Mermaid.
Which pin do you guys want the most?
Little Mermaid. Little Mermaid.
Who's going first?
Cross your guys, cross your fingers so I can get a Little Mermaid. Seriously, we got another rematch.
Seriously, we got another rematch.
Here's our duplicate. Again, we've gotten him every single video so far. This is just of Hades stealing Hercules' strength.
Please don't rematch us again. Maybe it's gonna be a Little Mermaid.
We have a lot of Hercules pins to trade, huh?
And we only have 2 of these. Well, remember we got Big Hero 6 in our other last video? If you guys remember, if you watched it. In the picture.
Yeah, what did we get?
We got the Lion King.
Oh, wow! This is the scene after Simba defeats Scar and is claiming his place as the king.
Now it's me. Put the trash in the sides. Okay, please, Little Mermaid. Okay, we got that. So you can show what you're gonna get. Okay, open them. Please be careful of the pins. Ah!
We got Big Hero 6.
Here's a close-up of the Big Hero 6 pin. This is when Tadashi is showing off Baymax to Hero. Kira, open up the other one.
When's it gonna be? Cross my fingers. We got Hercules.
Wow.
Is the next one gonna be?
This one is of Hercules and Megara.
Who's the next one? Little Mermaid's hiding from us. We should find her. Maybe she's in the next one. How about me and Celine open each bag?
Alright, here's the last one. Go ahead and open
Can
it.
we open each bag?
Yeah, you guys get one each.
Okay, I'm just gonna do like a regular box.
Alright, who wants to open up the first one? Why don't you guys play paper, rock, scissors?
Oh yeah. How about you be the paper? No, Kira. I want you to be the paper.
I
want to go now. Kira, it's rock, paper, scissors. We don't know who's choosing what, okay? Rock, paper, scissors, Kira.
Whoever wins next.
Paper, scissors, shoot. Wait. Kira, that means Kira goes first.
Yay,
So
Kira!
close your eyes. Close your eyes to pick one. Oh, you got that one.
Alright, go ahead.
Please, Little Mermaid. What is it gonna be? Try it, try liquid. I think we got a duplicate. No. Oh,
Ooh,
we
okay.
did get a duplicate, but different colors.
Yeah, here, I'll show it off. So we just unboxed this chaser version of the Siamese cats. So that's cool. I didn't know that. I guess the chasers are just black and white versions of the colored versions. Awesome.
Okay, now my turn.
All right, go ahead.
What is it gonna be? I did first, but it was a Little Mermaid. Let me show you guys.
Oh, awesome.
Let me see.
Awesome. So here is the close-up of the Beauty and the Beast pin that we did today. It's of Belle and the sheep after she goes to the library. So we still don't have
Little Mermaid.
Little Mermaid.
She's hiding from us, you
She's
guys.
totally hiding from us.
She's like, I don't wanna.
Okay.
Maybe she wants to run away from us. I'm gonna run from Pin Pals.
I'm gonna run from Pin Pals.
Alright, so this is the end of the video.
Please thumbs up and subscribe. And have a fun time watching this video. I hope you do.
Have a great day, guys. Thank you. Alright, thanks for watching our third unboxing of these Disney Films mystery pin sets. I just wanted to explain quickly the contents of the box. So you can get these boxes for $16.99 at the Disney parks. We got ours in the Disneyland Resort in Anaheim, California. This is a part of its own set, and they have a bunch of other mystery pin sets out there. So today we unboxed 3, which gave us 6, so there are 2 pins per box. And again, each pin, there's only 600 of each pin, so it's a limited release. And you can get pins from The Lion King, Little Mermaid, which is still a pin that we're yet to unbox, Hercules, Aladdin, Big Hero 6, Lady and the Tramp, and Beauty and the Beast. For more pin unboxings, go ahead and stay tuned and subscribe to us. Every single week we will do 3 unboxings of this Disney film set, and we also have other sets that we are going to be unboxing too, as well as different pin mail that I get, that I order from other people. Other than that though, thank you so much for watching and have a great day, guys.